Hello my friends, thank you very much for supporting this YouTube channel. Many of you have been viewing my channel every single day. I really appreciate what you're doing. Please invite your other friends, share my videos and subscribe on my channel. I really appreciate what you're doing. May God richly bless you. May God bless you in every sphere of your life. I pray success, I pray abundance, I pray favor, I pray mega grace upon your life. So today I just want to speak about one important thing that many of us take it for granted: the power of words, the power of what you say about yourself. Many people say things about themselves, but they don't understand that what you are today is the product of what you said 5 years ago. So make sure that whatever you say about your life, whatever you say about you will finally become what you say about yourself. So each and every word that you utter, make sure that you utter words that will build your life, utter words that will build someone else, utter words that will encourage and motivate and give strength to other people. Never speak words that will destroy other people. Never speak words that will make other people feel inferior and undermined, but speak words of power, speak words of wisdom, speak words to construct other people. Never speak words just to make other people feel hurt and feel when we read the undermined. In Genesis, in the first chapter, from verse 1, the Bible says, "In the beginning God created the heavens and earth. Now the earth was formless and empty, and darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters." Now when you read verse 3, it says, "And God said, let there be light." In other words, there was no light, but God said, let there be light, and light came into being. It came to pass. In other words, whatsoever you say about your life, it will finally come to pass. If you speak words of defeat, you will see yourself being defeated in everything. If you speak words of success, you will succeed in everything that you do in your life. If you speak words of wisdom, if you speak words of encouragement, you will be encouraged and you will do better things. You will start to do things in a different way. You will start to succeed. You will start to prosper in everything that you do. So you must be careful on what you say. The Bible says God said, let there be light, and light came to pass. What are you saying about your life and about your future? If you speak words, you are prophesying in your situation. You are prophesying in your life. In other words, what you say now will manifest in the near future. So I encourage you today to start speaking positive words about your life, to start speaking about things that you want to see in your life. If you don't want to see manifesting in your life, don't even waste your time and say it. Don't describe your situation, but describe your God in your situation. Tell your situation how big is your God. Tell your difficult situation how great and how wonderful is your God. Many people in this earth, they speak and they tell other people how bad is their situation. One day I met this friend. He was sick, and I said to him, "Hi, how are you, buddy?" And this guy said, "Oh, I'm sick. I have this flu. I'm sick. I'm being defeated in my mind." So I'm saying, never speak words to describe your situation. I am challenging you today to speak words to describe your God and not to describe your situation. Describing your situation will not change your situation, but describing your God to your situation, that will change your situation. The Bible says, when you read the book of Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21, the tongue has the power of life and death. In other words, if you want to die, speak words. If you want to live, speak words. You want to be a millionaire in 5 years, start speaking like a millionaire. You want to be a billionaire 5 years down the line, start speaking words. Start saying words of a millionaire. You cannot be a millionaire if you don't speak like a millionaire. Start faking it now. You will finally become it. And the Bible says in the book of Matthew 12 verse 34, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth is speaking. What is in your mouth? What is in your heart? Maybe in your heart there is defeat. Maybe in your heart there are words of unforgiving. There are things that you don't want in your heart. But change what is in your mind and start speaking what is in your heart. After changing your mind, after changing your heart, you will start seeing change in your life. So today, I challenge you, my friend, change what you say. Your life will change, because your life will never change if what you say has not changed. The Bible says we are little gods. God spoke words and things came into being. So start speaking words. Start speaking things that you want to see manifesting in your life. Once you speak something, it will change. I challenge you today, change your words, change your speaking, change what you say, and you will see change in your life. God bless you. I love you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.